Hello, everyone. So let us start reading. Day, pay, may, bay, hay, play, say, day, pay, may, bay, hay, play, say, tray, clay, stay, pray, gray, spray, stray, tray, clay, stay, pray, gray, spray, stray, relay, today, away, relay, today, away. Okay, let's read it again together. Day, pay, may, bay, hay, play, say, tray, clay, stay, pray, gray, spray, stray, relay, today, away. Okay, your turn to read now. Superb, amazingly done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Don't forget to heart and share. For volume 1, kindly browse on the uploaded video.